Right now we're going to go over how to get your Marvin Redpost files downloaded from your digital locker and open. First thing you need to do is log into Gaggle. Once you've logged into Gaggle, you go to your applications and click on Digital Locker. Your digital locker will open and there will be 3 files here. Those 3 files are right here under My Reading. They will be under your just main digital locker folder. It will be shared with you from me. Here are the 3 documents. You need all 3 of them. So start with Character Chart Marvin Redpost. Right click, Download to Computer. Download to Computer. And this is where we had the problem the other day. You can't click Save. You have to click Open. So click Open. And now it has opened you a copy of the file. You will then click on the Office button and click on Save As. You then go to your Marvin Redpost folder and you will hit Save. If you already have a file there that has the same name, it will ask you if you want to replace. I'm going to choose Replace because I know this file is correct. Now I have a file with the correct information in the chart. I then do the same thing for literal language. Right click, Download to Computer, Download, Open, Office button, Save As, Marvin Redpost, Save. This one I didn't have another file that had the same name, so it didn't ask me to replace. I can close it by hitting the X once I save it. Theme setting plot, same deal. Right click, Download to Computer, click Download to Computer again, Open. This is what we worked on today. Or I guess this will be yesterday by the time you watch the video. Save As, Marvin Redpost, save it in here. Notice your name of your file is Theme Setting Plot 11. We're going to go into renaming these in just a second, so just hit Save. Now we're done. We close it. The reason it puts that little 1 there is just because you're saving a copy. I've shared this to you as read only, which means you can't edit it. We've downloaded all 3 files, we've closed them all. How do I know if I've downloaded them? Well, you come to your My Documents folder and open that up. You go to Marvin Redpost. When in there, you will see all your Marvin Redpost files. Now, I have a character chart for Marvin Redpost. That's the only one I have. That's the one I'm keeping. I have 2 literal language files. I need to make sure that they're the right file. So I open it up, I check to make sure I have everything I need. If you see my name at the top, it means you probably have the right one. You can delete my name and write your name. You can then hit Save and say this is literal language 1. I want to keep this file. Okay. That means I don't need this literal language file. Delete it. Hit your delete key, hit yes. The other choice here is to hit File and then delete once you have it. I'll show you how to do that with the next one. Theme Setting Plot. Well, I only need one of these, so I'll open up the one I just downloaded. There's no name because we didn't put a name on this one, but it has everything we talked about today. So this is good. I can close this. It doesn't ask me to save because I made no changes, and I can delete this one. File, delete. Yes. Now I have these 3 files, but I don't like the ones after the file name, so I hit File, Rename. Don't hit any keys, just click right on it, right at the end. Make sure your cursor's at the end, and backspace. So it says Character Chart Marvin Redpost. Literal language, same thing. File, Rename, click at the end of the name, backspace. Theme Setting Plot. Same thing again. File, Rename, click over here, cursor's flashing, backspace, both of those ones, and click somewhere else. Or hit enter. Now I just have the 3 files I need. To open them up, I double click on each one. Minimize, double click, minimize, minimize, and open up the last one. Oh, I don't have my name here. Make sure you write your name and save it. And then you can minimize them all. And when we get to them in class, I'll ask you to pick it up and take notes in there. Again, you can do this every day because I'll update the files every day. You just will have to delete your old file and keep your new one.